For 70 years, the deal was simple. You work hard, you contribute, and in exchange, you get to spend your final decades in peace. But that deal is gone. It wasn't destroyed by a politician. It wasn't stolen by a bank. It was destroyed by simple mathematics. In 1950, there were 16 workers paying for one retiree. Today, in some countries, it's approaching 2 to 1. We are facing the biggest demographic collapse in human history. And the scary part? Nobody is talking about the solution, because there isn't one. Welcome to the era of eternal work. To understand why the system is collapsing, we have to go back to 1889, to Germany. Otto von Bismarck invented the modern retirement system. But the retirement age was set at 70, but the average life expectancy was only 40. Do you see the trick? The government promised to pay you if you survived. They knew. Most of you wouldn't. But then, something unexpected happened. Antibiotics, clean water, modern medicine. We committed a financial crime against the state. Humans stopped dying. Here is the ugly truth. Your pension isn't sitting in a vault with your name on it. It's a pay-as-you-go system. The money taken from your salary this morning is spent by a retiree this afternoon. It's the definition of a Ponzi scheme. And like every Ponzi scheme, it requires an endless supply of new victims. I mean, workers. So what happens when the new workers run out? Look at Japan. It is a window into our future. In Japan, supermarkets now sell more diapers for adults than for babies. Let that sink in. Schools are closing. Villages are turning into ghost towns. They have too many people claiming checks and not enough people printing them. Economists call this the dependency ratio. When two workers have to support one retiree, taxes become unbearable. When it hits 1 to 1, the math simply explodes. And the rest of the world? We are just 10 years behind them. So, will the government just come out and tell you the money is gone? Of course not. That would cause a revolution. Instead, they will choose the coward's way out. They won't default on your pension. They will pay you exactly the amount they promised. But by the time you get it, thanks to inflation, that money won't even buy a week's worth of groceries. It is a silent default. Or they will simply change the rules. Retirement at 65, make it 70. Make it 75. Until retirement becomes just a word you whisper on your bed. The system was designed for a world that no longer exists. Relying on it is like waiting for a train at a station that burned down years ago. Retirement is no longer an age. It is a financial number. You have to stop being a worker and start being an owner. Assets, equity, gold, anything that cannot be inflated away by a politician with a printer. The state won't save you. No one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself.